In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Jira. Managing notifications effectively can make a world of a difference in staying organized and focused without getting overwhelmed by a flood of updates. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to tailor Jira notifications to suit your needs. First, head over to your Jira homepage. You'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings option. Click on that and then select notifications from the drop-down menu. This section is your control center for managing how you receive updates about different activities in Jira. Next, scroll to find the email preferences section. This is where you can adjust how and when you receive email alerts. If you want to turn off email notifications entirely, you'll want to toggle the option labeled "Send me emails for issue activity" to the off position. If you're not interested in completely turning off notifications, but want to fine-tune the types of activities you get emails about, focus on the "Send me emails for issue activity" section, look under "Receive emails when", and you'll have several options. You can check or uncheck boxes that correspond to instances where you are the assignee, the reporter, or when you make changes to issues. This flexibility allows you to receive only the most pertinent updates based on your role and involvement. Moving on, let's talk frequency. Sometimes getting a rapid succession of emails can be distracting. Under the Group Notification Emails Together section, you can streamline this by selecting how often you'd like to get grouped email notifications. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your preference, every 3 minutes, every 10 minutes, or even just once per day which allows you to set a custom time. If you find grouped notifications helpful, make sure to toggle Group Notification Emails Together to on, otherwise leave it off to receive individual emails as they come. Another preference to consider is the email format. In the email format section, you have the choice of receiving emails in HTML or plain text. HTML might be more visually appealing, while text could be quicker to load and easier to read on certain devices. Lastly, let's touch on customizing notifications. Under default notification settings, you can manage boxes for notifications for all issues and notifications for relevant issues, checking or unchecking them based on your needs. If you want to get even more specific, head to Customize Project Notifications. Here, click on Add Project Notifications, search for the project you need to configure, and confirm your choice. You can then tailor the list of notifications for that selected project according to what makes sense for you and your team. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering Jira notifications. Customizing these settings ensures that you are kept in the loop about the most important updates while minimizing disruptions. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to take control of your notification flow in Jira.